losses for the fourth quarter. I think that has a lot with driving shit down.
Hey, just as a heads up, live on YouTube. Oh, God. I'm very worried right now. Markets are very bloody right now. God. Strong hands, boys. Strong hands.
I don't know about you, but I'm going to buy GME because that analyst said it's going to be $1,000. And I'm just picking. Anybody that heard me say that, no, not a snowball's chance I would do it.
But GME can hit like 50,000 a share actually.
Yeah, base my trades off of solid companies. GME just not very solid.
Alan, and cows can piss chocolate milk. Your point?
Come on, don't chocolate milk come from brown cows?
Why don't you go check?
Steph beat me to that joke. I'm adjusting my headphones right now.
Isn't it next week Biden releases the plan for infrastructure?
Or a $5 shake.
You would know that better than us.
I know, but I don't have a calendar in front of me.
It sounds right.
I don't think I'm going to OS today.
You don't think what?
I don't think I'm going to log into my TOS today.
I wouldn't.
Because, like, I saw it earlier and I looked at it just a minute ago and I was like, all I know is that it's going to be bleeding, I'm going to get mad, and there's nothing I can do about it.
If you have no open options, I'd say just hold out.
I mean, I have leads open, but that's it.
God. Volatility is pumping right now. What's caused this just massive sell-off in the last, like, couple hours?
Profit taking and retail and institutions selling off because they're
Retail is not selling off. Retail doesn't sell off till open.
The market is getting highly diluted with all these SPACs and IPOs.
Like I was saying, there's 6 IPOs today.
Jeez, who's IPOing today?
Cricket.
Vizio, or the two
Delph.
that I recognized right away.
Something starts with a D and something else.
And apparently they're all priced below where their expected IPO should be.
Oh, that's not good.
I know.
That's the first. Usually we've been seeing IPOs open like 170, 50% higher.
I know, that's really scary. And there's a ton of SPACs too.
I mean, wouldn't you rather, if you were the company, show a growth than a loss in the beginning? So, of course, if you release at a lower price, thinking that it'll go up, It's better.
But that's
than-
not controlled by the company. That's controlled by the market and the valuation of the company.
Yeah.
Yep.
I mean, you want to show it kind of higher there because then there's more faith in it from the overall investing market. Just and it can retest that. It's harder when it's down lower.
Yeah, because the company sets the price that they want to open up at, and then usually they allow insiders to buy, like the large institutions, the people who own the company, people who in like Cricket's case, people who are like branch managers and owners and employees who want to go ahead and get employee stock. But if it's opening up or projected to open up lower, that means there wasn't enough purchasing at the beginning.
The only thing I'm looking at today is adding to IPOE because I think after the merger to SoFi, it'll go up quite a bit.
Just remember, everybody, stay solvent.
Be smart.
Play the long game.
I think at this point, people are playing the long game. They don't have a choice.
Shut up.
Well, a lot of us.
Love you too, Rocky.
Hey, Throcky, I tried to talk to you last night, but you weren't around. Hey, can you purchase options after hours, or is it strictly 9:30?
It's just, no. It's only during the market hours.
Okay.
Don't you have 15 minutes after hours too on SPY?
Yes,
I believe, yeah.
SPY is 24/5. You can trade that 24 hours a day. It's 15 minutes after on Friday.
No, but you can get an option. You get options at 15 minutes after any day on SPY, buy or sell.
I thought you could get them 24 hours because it's a 24/5.
Not options. Options trading for that stops 15 minutes after market close.
Oh, learned something new. Thank you.
Thanks for the info, guys.
That's the only one that I know of that has any. I've never traded QQQ or anything like that to know if they can do it.
I think QQQ and other 24/5 stocks should be the same. If it's
Yeah,
high.
I think they can 15 minutes after the bell.
It might be equity that's traded 24/5 then, that you can do like market orders on, because the SPY is just going off the ES.
I think you're right on that.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go run inside the 7-Eleven, grab a protein bang because I just finished up at the gym. I let all my anger on the market out in the weights.
Smart.
Oh my god. So Thraki get beat up by some different bodybuilders, or he beating off different bodybuilders?
He got beat up by 35-pound dumbbells.
Man, why you gotta say that when we're on live on YouTube? Because I can't come back with what I would normally come back with.
I know.
We love you, though.
Much love, Throck. Hey, so at least light at the end of the tunnel. There was a TK crossover on SPY on the 1 minute chart. It's currently within the very thin channel.
Yeah, that is terrible.
That's scary.
Because VIX is also going up, dude. It's safer just to buy long puts on SPY at this point. Our boy J-Pow needs to do something about this, but I'll be right back.
I was explaining to my son the difference between like Palantir and ChargePoint dropping and CCIV, how CCIV is just speculation, and Palantir and ChargePoint actually have product, a service.
I watched that out on ChargePoint though. I found discrepancies that I don't like on theirs.
Although, did you guys see the article I posted about CCIV this morning?
Which thing?
When did he post that, DOS?
That was a while ago. Hold on, I'm scrolling back up to find it.
Is it about the top line of cars all being sold?
All right, that is open. That is open. Good luck today, boys. You are going to need it. Stay strong. Diamond hands. God, I'm not excited to watch the market today.
I wish I could just watch the market and not be getting fucked by it.
Same.
You and me both.
Volatility is increasing. VXX is currently at 1273. Tesla's opening red. SPY is opening red. No, Tesla's opening green. My bad. Palantir is red. AMD's taking a fat dip at open. Baba is green. Ford is taking a dip. Steel is currently at support. Airlines are all currently down about 2 to 4%. Got CCIV currently 21. Tesla trying to move up and really not doing much. Tesla is the only thing that's moving up right now across my... Ooh, things are starting to move now, actually, but I do not see anything green. I see AMC is green. That's the only green stock I see across my charts. What about you guys?
Walmart open
green.
I
What?
see Tyson Foods.
Walmart open green for me, but that's about it.
Google's trying to go green, but I don't think that's sustainable.
Never mind, Walmart's red again.
Yeah,
All the big techs are red right now. Apple, Google, Facebook.
Yours is showing red. Mine's showing green for Google, up 51 cents. But my Weeble's acting up crazy right now, and that's what I'm on.
We got it down at 0.38%.
Arrival, which is CIIC, was up $2.40 right now, surprisingly.
okay, so why is GME green? Why are the memes up?
I mean,
because GME is the inverse of the entire market.
But look, it's at 128. It was at 190 something just 2 days ago.
Hey guys, I'm out, so I don't have the charts in front of me. Is Palantir moving up? I just got an alert.
Palantir is slowly moving up. It's currently at 21 change.
Okay.
2140.
Yeah, Kathy supposedly bought a lot last night after hours.
Well, it showed me a gain of $2,000 in it.
So it might be pumping a little bit.
RSI on the 1 minute's 70. It's really overbought.
Yeah, but what's it on the daily? It's probably oversold.
Daily's 35. It is kind of oversold for it.
35 is a threshold for oversold.
Palantir is pushing pretty good. It's up to 2160.
You know, I just realized that CCIV and Palantir are moving like really similarly.
They've been doing that for the last couple of weeks. I've been noticing that too.
It was like I was just looking at.
I asked what the connection was between the two because I noticed that.
I mean, tech. I don't know. I guess similar industries. Fuck, I couldn't tell you, man. But yeah, it's weird.
Yeah, that would just mostly be tech and just, you know, all the sectors moving together.
I mean, if you look at a lot of
things.
things.
Deep on AMD?
Palantir on the 5 minute.
I have a leap on AMD.
Don't jinx it. Don't jinx it.
I won't, but it's...
I thought at one point you were like 80K allocated into AMD, weren't you?
At one point I was 110K allocated.
Now he's 150.
TCIV
I'm
at
67K deep in AMD right now.
Charge point through 20.
That's a safe to hold
I
on
don't-
to that it'll come back.
Charge point, probably, maybe. I don't know. I mean, it's.
I'm speaking AMD.
Oh, yeah. AMD probably.
Hey, Palantir top VWAP gotta come down.
They look real good on the 5 minute.
Check out CCIV, guys.
Son of a...
Bless you.
Motherfucker. God damn it, CCIV.
The
We're live on
daily is
YouTube.
35, or sorry, minutes of 35. Daily's 38.
Apple's up. Apple's up to the 50 SMA on the 5.
Retail seems to be creeping up. Walmart's up.
Well, those are safety stocks there, so.
I just
bet
keep
you-
looking at.
If I go to Coca-Cola right now, I bet you Coca-Cola's green.
Full traps left and right.
Palantir's
You
dropping.
would be wrong. Coca-Cola is not green.
Red. I know. I just looked. It's down like.
But
5.
their week and month and 3-month charts are all climbing. So yeah, they're green effectively.
Good. I need this Walmart call to do me well.
You guys, and always remember, there's guaranteed support for CCIV at $10. So
That one's 15, isn't it?
Nope, 10. SPAC
It
10.
is 10.
it's a SPAC attack.
That gives me no reassurances at all, Doc.
Yeah, that does not.
Nope.
Kramer's
I mean,
saying
I'm
that the-
set until 2023 on CCIV. That's a fire and forget.
Hey, Corsair's was green. Damn.
Oh, hey, Zome came back up. That's nice.
My only hope for today was most of the days we've opened up green and gone red. And my hope today was we opened up red and went green.
Or it's going to open up red and stay red. It might go redder.
I
Apple's
love
still
your
climbing.
optimism.
Apple's going green.
120. Apple's green for the
Call me Patty Pessimistic. Or Mike. Same thing.
coming up a
David.
5-minute cloud resist.
David, yeah, just stay strong, bro. Diamond Hands, March is typically a very bloody month. We saw what happened this time last year, and we are seeing what's happening this time this year. Just strong hands, make it through this month. April and the summer will be very good for us.
in
He's
Washington.
here. So is the market, Mike.
Inspector over here just shorting everything.
Mike's dropping a deuce with the market.
Oh my god. Everything's bouncing back at least right here.
Okay, stop
Shut
saying
up,
things
Alan.
like that.
You're
Okay,
giving us
sorry.
hope.
Sorry.
Alan, AMD's at 90.
God, like,
Yeah.
I didn't look. I wasn't phased, but like, you had my heart
He
flutter.
looked.
Like, you know when
How's
you,
it feel?
yeah. It's like when you see your crush in public, you know, just like when you're in 6th grade, your heart just, you know, nothing's gonna happen and it's not true, you know. But
Oh,
it's
yeah.
like, you're like, wait, and I'm like, God, he's fucking with me.
Wow, Corsair's up 30 cents.
Now that I believe.
Palantir's up 80 cents.
Don't lie to
CCIV
me, John.
moving.
Everything's kind of, sort of.
It's a trap.
It is
Shut
a
up.
trap. It's all a trap.
Happy birthday, Mike! Go! You are now 24?
Happy birthday, Shorty. You're still short.
Wait, is it Mike's birthday today?
Oh,
No,
23.
it's not.
23. 20. He said, I think.
I might send some pineapple pizza. Hey, Alan, did you ever send out that pineapple pizza last week?
So what?
Weren't you sending pineapple pizza like super loaded to somebody?
Oh yeah, to Dakota.
Did you do it?
Oh yeah, of course I did.
It's in the mail with the truffle salt.
Hello, this is Gary Jones from Fallon Realty. How can I help you today?
Air,
You
yours
can
is
help
on
me,
the
but-
way.
I'm just giving you shit, Alan.
Holy cow,
Let me find-
Palantir is actually green on the day.
Is it now?
Don't
Yeah,
don't give
I'm
me
not
hope
fucking
like
with
that.
you. I'm not fucking with you. It's actually green. Barely, but it's...
Yes.
Oh no, it's collapsing. Wait.
On the 5 minute, it looks good.
Going with people's emotions.
No, it's staying. It's holding. It's at 21.92 right now.
Four. It's pushing that 22 mark, trying to.
It hit 22, but then it came down.
Dude, the one thing that's actually kind of beating me down, like that's making me sad, was lots. Like
Yes,
I was I was
House
sure
is offered
last
at 5.3 million.
You did?
Yes.
For what?
Okay, we can set up a time to see it a little bit later.
Oh, he's not talking to us.
Ah,
Yeah, we might want to mute Realtor for his privacy.
true.
Got him.
That's awesome.
Goes,
say
he
if we
puts out
listen-
the address and everything.
If we
I
listened
mean,
listen more, we could have probably gotten some account numbers and had a green day all around.
I mean, it's nice to hear how he sweet talks clients, but I feel bad at the same time. Not really.
I completely missed it.
I could use some sweet talking right now. It would at least make me feel better.
Likewise.
Hey, Doss, if you ask Alan for a shower pic, that would be a sweet time for you.
Alan, let's see it, buddy.
What the fuck? I'm streaming right now.
On days like this on the market, it's just every ethics go out the window.
We're delusional today.
Eric's gonna come up with a new DSM entry for market psychosis.
You act like I haven't done that already.
SPY's above VWAP at least. Volatility's coming down a little bit. Tesla's moving up. Palantir's moving up. AMD's moving up. Apple moved up very nicely. CCIV currently at VWAP. Same with Ford, Steel. Airlines are moving up. We're having a nice little recovery here.
Wait, are you eating that pizza?
No. That was something I got Dakota. Dakota really hates pineapple on his pizza.
Why?
Such a good friend.
I don't know why he hates pineapple on his pizza.
Like, I'm not saying that it's like my favorite pizza of all time, but like it can be kind of good. You get that sweet and the salty. It's like it's a good combo. I don't know why everyone hates on it so bad.
Yeah, I like ham and pineapple.
Yeah, like a straight up Hawaiian pizza.
I like bacon.
I barely
Hey,
like
those
pineapple. I like to drink
those on
pineapple.
the YouTube stream. This is the pizza that I sent one of my employees. He really does not like pineapple pizza, so I sent him a whole bunch of pineapple pizza.
That sounds good.
But
Palantir holds. It looks awful good today. Keeps going up on a 5-minute. Next candle starts in the cloud. You'll be nice to ride. I'm just an observer today. I'm still waiting for all the money to clear that my sons gave me.
Damn it, I'm annoyed I missed out on IPOE. I thought it was gonna dip there.
Guys, screw it. Let's just go into mutual funds.
Okay, Grandpa.
oh god no.
We will be the victims of the Wall Street bets that.
Yeah, for real.
I think we all are. I mean, they screwed everyone over.
I mean, at this point, I kind of hope they pump something.
What are all the memes doing right now anyway?
GMU opened green.
AMC went down way lower. I'm glad I sold that earlier. Damn, GME's 120? Holy shit.
I gotta look at that stupid.
Palantir major
They-
resistance coming up at 2268.
They tanked yesterday because they had earnings.
Who did?
GME.
Yeah.
GME had earnings.
They actually did pretty well.
I know in my area, the GameStops are also selling toys and shit.
Well, I think they all do. I mean, I remember going to a GameStop the other day, and it was empty. Like everything, there was hardly anything on the shelf anymore.
Oh wow.
I mean, good business for
GameStop
them.
is like a nerd's toy store now.
It really is, honestly. I mean, how Alan knows a lot about it too.
Their collectible margins were like 45-50% too, so they were pretty good.
Yeah, so GameStop has really moved away from the whole buying and selling of video games. They're moving more towards like a small little niche retail spot. I personally don't really like their business model, but I cannot disagree that it's a pretty solid model, you know. You get them in there for the games. You really don't make much margin on the games themselves, but then you can continue to upsell them on different products, different packages, different services, and that's really where they make the majority of their money.
Well, it's rough because games are going like all digital.
Yep.
Well,
Yep.
COVID kind of saved them in a sense because all their games started selling out faster.
Theoretically, yes, but I think COVID expedited the nail in the coffin. I think that Michael Burry put it in the best phrasing possible. And GameStop is kind of like Sears, you know, it's a dying ship. But when will the ship sink? Nobody knows, you know. You don't want to be stuck on that ship when it finally sinks and goes all the way down to the bottom, you know.
Right.
So like, God, he bought it at the bottom of COVID lows, and he made what, $330 million. So good for him.
Oh, come on.
You grab IPOE on that dip air?
No, I didn't. I should have. I think I'll have more opportunities today together.
Definitely.
I had a quick spy scalp.
I'm not gonna lie, that laugh did not sound like good laugh.
That sounded quite forced.
I can't hold it in. I read what Shoot Fish Life posted.
Oh, I thought it was one of those like watching my account die last.
Oh my god, that's horrible.
Oh, I needed that. Thank you.
Where did he find that?
I don't know, but that is awesome.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking.
I'll tell you
After
what.
weeks of red, Corsair's finally doing okay. CCIV is actually moving up okay.
Oh, I just got 100 DSAC W at 154. I'm looking at CYIO.
I think a little over allocated in DSAC-W now. 2,400 shares.
$350 or 400.
Just playing the waiting game.
CYIO, it's a penny stock. Looks like it's taken off. It's halted right now. That's my play if I can get a buy-in. For a quick Alex type play. I'm doing this one solely on my own, so don't follow me.
What? What did you say? Which stock?
CYIO.
I can't think of that one. This is what I hate when I'm not in front of my computer. I can't check things out. It's slower than molasses trying to find stuff on a phone.
My one share of Lending Club is up. That was my free equity play.
Nice. I always love your analogies, realtor.
Well, I'll tell you what. Sometimes I come out with some good ones, like that one that Shoot Fish posted. I'll tell you, that one made me as happy as a short-legged pony and a tall fill of oats.
I'm sure you'll be using that in a sales pitch, you know?
Oh, I have.
Oh, no, the Taco Bell farts one?
Oh, no, I haven't used that one yet, but I probably will.
Yeah, like I trust these lenders as much as I trust a Taco Bell fart.
Yeah,
you know?
that's pretty much it.
All right, it's time for me to go only to chat and gouge my eyes out in this class. I'm so tired of this, and they extended it a week.
I
They're
just
like,
hit.
oh no, somebody got COVID, and you can't go in the building for 2 weeks. And I'm like, oh my god, you are now making our workload even harder.
Spy lower VWAP, it just totally fell off the face of the planet.
Yes, it did. That's what I was about to say.
What is going on?
Got order.
Bull trap.
Yep.
That's what it was.
Look at another one.
I hate to say it. I wish it'd go down a little bit more. Just so I can buy a metric shit ton of stuff.
Market's basically red.
Yeah, but it's not where I want it to buy in.
Yeah, I'd watch out.
Cool. I'm gonna
Look at Spec, and he's just like, yeah, I just made 72 points on NQ. Volatility's gone through the roof. CCIV popped down to VWAP. AMD didn't take too much of a hit. Palantir is below 1 minute support. Tesla below 1 minute support. Ford at 1 minute support. Steel is falling off the face of the planet. Airlines and travel going down. Solar's going down. Apple's coming down. Everything's coming down. Volatility's going up. Fuck. This is not going to be fun. So Spec just made what? 3,500 on NQ just dicking around.
How much is 1 point?
I thought it was 100, but Mike said it was 50.
Yeah,
Pretty sure it's 50.
He said it's 50. The micros are 25. God
Hey,
damn.
is anyone's TD lagging?
It's probably just all the margin calls.
Mike, it's actually your birthday today, dude?
Yeah, it is.
Happy birthday,
Happy
bro.
birthday.
Happy
Mike.
anniversary not being covered in amniotic fluid.
Happy birthday, Mike.
Happy
Thank
birthday,
you.
Mike.
Thank you, guys.
Remember, we're streaming.
All right, y'all. I'll be in chat later.
Later, man.
Yeah.
"23 years old. How does it feel not being as much of a child?"
Feels the same. Just wake up.
Yep.
with Tech markets down.
The same thing that happened when you were 22, right?
Yeah. Oh God.
No, today when he on his birthday, the market turned around.
Yeah, for a little bit. Yeah, I was green for like 20 seconds today.
Oh, I meant last year.
Oh. Oh yeah, dude. My birthday's always rough on the market. Don't get pegged.
Wait, so Mike, you're saying if you don't have any more birthdays, the market will never crash, right?
I don't know about that one.
Damn, I was gonna say you should take one for the team then, man.
That's fucked.
Wow.
Hey, Mike, don't stress about your eyesight failing as you get older. It's nature's way of protecting you from shock as you walk past the mirror.
I bet. Thanks for the tip.
It saved me many years.
Oh man. I still have perfect vision for now. Somehow.
I wish I'd
looking at these damn stock charts.
HPR is halted again?
What's that?
HPR is halted again?
Yeah. Dude, I was scared waking up this morning. Everything was like down 5% pre-market. I was like, oh boy. And everything shot up.
Yeah, but it was a fake out.
Yeah, I had a better fake out than all of you. I logged into TOS and was like, hot damn, everything was up $1,000. Then I realized I was in my paper account. That
Hey
was
Mike, the
incredible.
market was going up when you were in the bathroom. Go back.
Alright. I was just chilling there all day.
Just trade on the toilet.
Yeah.
Walmart's green again.
Dude, look at Nike. That's definitely not the worst dip buy I've ever seen.
Boss makes $1, I make a dime. That's why I poop
Wait.
on company time.
Dude, that GIF with Elmo doing that is awesome. Real.
Nike just had good earnings too.
There's something going on in Nike in China and some BS about them
Oh.
supporting crap of, or not supporting, but voicing concern over in that western region of what is it, Jaiping or whatever, where those Uyghur people are.
That makes sense.
Mike, should we be worried about our CSPs right now?
No. They're not even tested. At least mine aren't.
Yeah, mine aren't either.
The things I'm watching are froze already. Halted.
Apple CSP.
Mine have tested.
Green. You should roll them then. They're tested.
Problem with rolling right now is you'll roll them all the way out till May.
Yeah, that's the only reason I
You
haven't.
don't have to. I mean, wait, what stock is it?
AMD.
AMD
75 and a
roll.
half.
I think you'll be
75.
okay.
And what date was that for again?
April 16th.
April 16th, 75 and a half. Well, yeah,
If
it's
you
not the
roll it
worst
till
thing ever, right?
May, it's not a bad idea because their earnings are at the beginning or at the end of April. So you'll see a pump going into that time period, and you can probably get out of it at that point. I mean, April, you still have time also.
I mean, yeah, you could roll to 30th of April if you wanted.
Their earnings, I think, are on the 27th of April.
Gotcha.
I'll just hold it.
At least that's what TD says.
You can roll down to the 73 half in April and still get some money.
VIX and VVIX are coming down slowly.
You can actually roll to the 73.
I didn't like the fill I got, so I'm gonna need to wait.
Yeah. I mean, it's not even in the money or anything yet, so.
I think it was this morning.
Oh, yeah, maybe. You can roll, yeah, you can roll to 72 half.
I keep sneezing in this house.
It's actually not a bad idea to roll when stocks are low like this. It's when you get more credit for it.
I'll check it out.
Because when you roll, you're technically opening a new one, right? So you want to do it when it's low.
I don't think I can close it right now.
So, Mike, you would recommend if it gets tested to go ahead and roll it because most likely you're just decreasing the overall costs while getting some premium out of it to eventually be able to close it later.
Yeah. Well, here's I treat CSPs like stocks, basically, like synthetic stocks. So, you always want to have premium in it, and you always want to have the best cost basis you can, and it's really easy when you are selling puts to adjust your cost basis lower, which is nice.
I mean, I like it because I don't necessarily have to take assignment too. I just have to roll it and be smart about rolling it.
Yeah. There's lots of people that sell puts on margin that literally can't take assignment, that are comfortable just rolling all the time.
But is that a safe thing, especially if there's, let's say, if there's a flash crash?
It depends on you. You got to keep your account size. You got to keep a reasonable allocation still. But what they do, they'll roll their puts down, and in order to roll their puts down lower, they'll sell calls for more credit.
Gotcha.
You can do call credit spreads. That's good and bad though, because then you're short a call at the bottom.
Anybody here use the scanner in Thinkorswim?
I used to.
I used to, yeah.
For some reason, it won't let me screen pre-market.
It doesn't do that.
Oh, it don't?
Nope. It needs live volume in the level 2. Live data in the level 2.
So if I want to look at pre-market movers, I should do something like FinViz or something like that, right?
Yep.
FinViz is cool.
Man, I hope this stock goes through the roof.
Banking stocks are still pretty high.
Frontier is climbing a little bit.
Well, banks report in the next, what, couple weeks, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, Apple's moving. CCIV moving. Tesla moving again. That's nice. You guys needed to move up another $300 though. SPY's back at top VWAP. Volatility is at VWAP. Palantir is moving up. AMD is moving up. You guys ready to see it at lower VWAP again here in half an hour?
Yeah,
I just want to see higher lows. Sorry, Michael.
No. Do you guys know how to check where your dividends are? Like how much you got paid and where to find that?
Which program?
In TOS. Can never find it.
So in TOS, I was messing with this with James a while back. Under your monitoring, under the options toggle, you can actually put in for the dividend payout and the ex-dividend date, I believe. But I can't, for the life of me, find like that actually gets credited to your account or anything.
Yeah, it's annoying. So now I have another random dollar in my account. $1.66. Like I should have drip on too on that account. So I don't know why.
Oh, tech traders commenting in chat about it.
Oh, let's see.
Oh, it's kind of as a deposit?
Deposit history. Thank you. TD app. So I'm on the TD website. Deposit history.
It might be under your statements then, Mike.
See, I'm gonna check deposits, or it's probably under activity. Maybe. Distribution? No.
just reported the AstraZeneca vaccine's only 76% effective versus the 79% they originally claimed. Fuck CNBC.
Yo, Steph.
Yeah.
HBR hit $10 today again.
I'm actually looking at once. It's a small stock, CYIO.
CYO. I can't play that. It's OTC. But I'm in IMMP today. Played a bit of TAOP. Nothing really running today.
Powell speaking today.
I found the dividends, but the last one paid was $3.15, so that dollar must have been interest or some shit.
TD does this weird like courtesy adjustment too. I noticed that on statements the other day.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure when you have your money in there, they give you like, you know, the 0.0001% interest rate.
I know Webull used to, or does, use your money so they'll like pay you.
Yeah.
That's
Just
what
like
the cash and
That's
sweep
only on
is.
certain stocks, though. So they'll like lend out your stocks if you don't, tell them not to.
Froze it again.
Come on, let's cross $4. Let's go, let's go.
Which one are you talking about?
IMMP. Got it at 35. 2,000 shares. It's testing, trying to get new high of day here. Oh, we passed 4.
CCIV looks good on the 5-minute. It's climbing a little bit, even though we don't talk about her anymore.
As long as it can close above though. Still a couple minutes.
I'm watching that dolphin to see if it's going to run. I screwed the pooch with that one. Actually, the pooch screwed me.
So I guess the earnings was not good.
Oh, just went above upper VWAP. Looks like a pump on the 5-minute.
TAOP might reverse here.
Wow, so tech is green.
5-minute candles.
Bite your tongue.
Bite your tongue. Corby, you should be happy. Wait, is Tesla up?
Tesla's up. Well, Tesla's not up, but Tesla's up.
It's not Tesla up,
It's
but
up
it's
for
up.
Tesla. Good morning, Corp.
I don't think you need to prophesize how today's gonna go, Corp.
Today's gonna be red.
Yeah. Figured.
And tomorrow.
Tomorrow's gonna be red.
And next week?
Next week's gonna be red.
Week after that.
Tesla's gonna be red.
Sounds like Rain Man.
Everything is red.
It's red.
32, red.
How much did it make on that trade?
The market bottoms out, hits 0, red.
Red.
And then Corp, when we start to bet red, it's gonna land green, right?
Correct. Oh, that's a good idea. Hold on, be right back.
All right, Alan, buy puts for the team.
Oh, I was gonna go to the casino and put 100 on green or 100 on red for you guys.
You might as well.
You got a 50, wow. What is it, like 43% chance of hitting? Some shit like that. With our luck, it'd come up 00.
Yeah. House win. Man, I remember last time I went to the casino, I walked in, put 100 on black 28 just to see if I'd be gambling for the day or just chilling, and I obviously did not win.
Son called me a couple weeks ago and he goes, Dad, I'm walking into a casino. Give me a number. I'm only going in for 5 minutes. So I gave him me and his mom's favorite number. He went in and put $10 on it. Won 450 or something like that. Came home, gave me $100.
Nice.
You know, I went to the casino one time and won almost right at $50,000. By the end of the night, the only thing I had to show for it was a brand new suitcase and a hell of a hangover.
I've never done it that bad, but I've been in similar situations.
Man. We gotta gamble sometime. The Vegas trip is gonna be a lot of fun for all of us.
Is it going to be like Wolf on Wall Street?
I don't know about that insane, but we'll have a good time. We'll have a good time.
Vix calls anyone?
Do it.
Did anybody catch that SPY TK cross on the way up? I missed it. I was busy.
I was tempted to get a SPY put, Mike, but I'm not playing anything. Just waiting.
Still halting this one.
I only added to my IPOE position. I'm just gonna sit now.
Should have got fucking Vix calls while I was under 20, honestly.
I know. I don't know why we didn't think about that.
I considered it, but I was like, nah, Vic's gonna get crushed.
Yeah, but when we looked at all of the Fed talks for this week, we should have done something.
Yeah. It's alright. We're just long equities.
Equities and
The
puts.
worst that could happen. You lose 50% arc for temporarily. That's it. Just kidding. No, if you're selling puts, you'll lose maybe 20 into
You get margin called.
20% out of the money. No,
margin
if you get
called.
Margin called. You need to reduce your size ASAP.
That's I can agree with.
I gotta pay attention. I didn't realize I bought an OTC stock.
Ooh, what's
Yeah.
that?
So I have a
CYO.
serious
I mean,
serious
it's not a
question.
pump, but
You need to make more than your commission. Yeah.
yeah.
What? Never mind. Stupid.
Now, is there any way to get these commissions down?
You can call
You can
them.
contact them.
I don't know if it's OTC. You can get reduced. I don't know about that.
I heard you can, but you have to show a track record of how much you've traded in it to justify it. So we've been able to do that with options. I never asked him about OTC though, because I hardly ever trade it.
Ask him. I got to call and get moved up to an orange account.
Doing stuff.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Morning, Brian.
Morning. How are y'all doing? Making money?
Yeah, dude, we're making money.
Hey, happy birthday, man.
Oh, thank you, man.
Yeah, you're like 31 or something?
Yep, just about.
He actually turned 45.
Oh, shit. He sounds pretty young.
Yeah, same.
I'm sorry, sir.
Is his height?
I'm sorry, sir.
That's cool, bro. 24. I remember when I was 24. Fucking.
No, I'm 23.
Okay.
I don't.
Oh, really?
23.
Oh, bro. I appreciate those years, man. I don't know.
Appreciate what?
Those years.
The years?
Yeah, early 20s, bro. Like, I'm getting close to fucking 30.
I appreciate you.
That shit, bro. Bro, getting close to 30 fucking sucks.
We didn't have cameras or ways to record in my childhood.
Yeah, if we did, I would be in jail.
There was no social media when I grew up.
I'm almost twice your age. And you
Cell phones didn't exist. What's a cell phone? The fuck is that?
I remember that.
I had a phone that had a box and a battery connected to it.
Wow.
Fucking thing was like carrying a briefcase.
Remotes on TVs? Fuck that. Color TVs? Come on.
I remember my first
You're
TV.
that old?
It was a 19-inch black and white
Yep.
TV.
Same.
19 inches. Nice.
Remember
That's
when
too
there was
big for
only
me.
3 channels on TV
19
channels.
inches. Wow, that's not that big.
where I lived?
ABC, NBC, and PBS.
No, CBS.
CBS.
I'll be 28 in
President was on, your night was screwed.
And then if you were lucky, you used UHF, and you might be able to get something in a little fuzzy.
IMMP is
With a good wind and clouds.
Yep. Aluminum foil on the rabbit ears.
Yeah.
You know what the sad thing is? The farm I own still has no internet, still has dial-up phone. Cell phone signals pretty shoddy. Can't even use a cell phone there.
Why don't?
But man, it's 300 acres of pure heaven.
Oh, that must be nice then. But God, that must also be terrible that you got no reception or anything. I'm surprised that there's the correct infrastructure. Again, you got guys like water and natural gas and stuff out at that farm.
I know a lot of people that are country folk or farm folk that don't have high-speed internet.
Yeah, we don't have hardly. No, we got 2 wells. The only thing we got is electricity out there. Everything else is run off of well water. We have tanks that natural gas gets delivered into, and yeah, that's pretty much how we run things.
It's like NASDAQ's gonna fall.
Yo, Yasir, is that yours, bro?
That's how I live. I'm off grid except for electricity.
I seen that photo online.
The hell is that?
Someone rage quitting. Dude, send my computer. That shit's nice.
Those are curved screens too. It's money.
Take one. Bro, that's Alan after a league game.
Dude, those are some nice monitors too.
No, it's not him.
Alex, I don't think you've seen me have like true league rage, have you?
No.
God. I remember times in college when like I was actively playing League where like I just punched my keyboard like once really hard and it would just break a keyboard. I'm just like, God damn it.
I'll just buy another one.
Exactly. My girlfriend really hated it.
That's actually a video of me.
It's just the cost of playing the game, you know, having to buy new keyboards.
Jesus.
So, Mike, why is the market down today?
Because there's a weak-handed cookies on the market now.
Everything I read
A lot
said
of
the market.
motherfucker weak hands.
Oh, Nasdaq just turned green.
Yeah, honestly,
Weak
most
fucks.
of my stocks are pretty much green, so
Eyes down.
Give me
I'm
hope
actually
like
back
that,
to
Core.
green for the day.
QQQ is
What is that, 3%
0.01%.
baby? What do you mean red, Corp?
SPY's red. SPY's down.
Can't specify what's red. So
My SPS is still green.
It's down 0.25% for the day.
As long as we don't hit the 3600s, I'm green.
It's down a dollar.
P back over $4. Oh, let's get out here.
All right, guys. I'll see you on a little bit and go back to the office and then get on the computer.
Have fun.
What?
Drive safe.
Man, Neo recovered fucking beautifully. Fuck.
Neo bought Tesla's equipment, or sold Tesla their equipment.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, shit. Nice.
I forget how much they sold them. It was a big number.
God damn, what the fuck?
Let's see if I can find the article.
Who the hell?
Here, Neo sold $31 million of factory equipment to Tesla.
Hey,
God,
another
wow.
$600.
SPY's moving up again.
Yeah.
CCL's
I
up
think we're
there.
going up.
Good
Oh,
start for the day,
CCL's
boys.
green? Hell yeah, all the travel is green. Let's go.
just barely, but yeah, it's green.
Steel is up. Damn, that would have been a great day trade if anyone took that.
Dead cat pounce.
CCIV hit 21 earlier.
Yep.
God.
Yeah.
5 minutes.
I think it's going to stay around here, though.
Yeah. I think it's going to go a little higher.
I think it was. Yeah, it has to stay above 22.5 or so.
Bouncing off the top of the cloud on the 5 minute. Testing resistance.
Does anyone here have experience or is looking at, I know it's going to sound funny, but Genius brands?
I think half the room got into Genius at one point.
No, I've just like, it's been popping up, like, and so I'm just wondering, like, what is going on?
Some news coming up where they're releasing those videos they talked about like months ago with Stan, and I don't remember what the other thing was. I saw something about it recently.
Mm-hmm.
So it'll probably have a little pump and then just dump back.
Oh, you think it'll keep pumping a few more times?
I don't know, like not much higher. I think 3 is pretty much resistance that's been there for a while. I think it'll dump back down to where it was once the hype blows over again.
Yeah, I'm trying to get out of it. Unfortunately, I have cover calls on this bullshit. So I was down like fucking $400 on my cover calls. This is whack. So I'm just trying to get the fuck out of those cover calls and sell it once it pumps again, and it's gonna be the end of the Genius
Let
brand.
the cover calls exercise and get the fuck out of Genius.
No, because my cover calls are $3, bro. So like,
what? You just let him expire and you'll keep the premium you sold for him.
no, but get this right. Let's say it goes above 3 and $4, and if I get those exercised, I would have made more money if I actually sold the actual stocks at 4.
That's how it works.
If they don't exercise him, that shit drops again, then I'm fucked.
What? No, you're not. If you just let it exercise, then you're out for profit no matter what.
What's your average, Brian?
1.08 or some shit.
Yeah,
$1.
so you're fine. You're fine, dude. If they get exercised at 3 and they go to 4, Yeah, you would miss out on that extra dollar per share. That's how it mathematically works out, you know?
Right.
Like it sucks, but like at least then you would be out at a nice profit, or worst comes to worst, you collect premium. You know, if you hold the position, theoretically, yes, you could make more if Genius goes up, but you have no potential to make income in that way. In this waiting period, if that makes sense.
Here's the problem though. So like my expiration is for July of this year. And so it's at $3 right now. So if Genius Brands goes up to fucking, I don't know, $5, then my cover call is gonna go to
What if
shit.
it doesn't go up to $5, which it probably won't?
Yeah, let's say it goes up to 3.5, which it would be nice. They won't exercise it, and then that shit's gonna drop back down, and then I'm just gonna be holding the cover call again and just waiting for another. You know what I mean?
What about just getting out of the position in general? How far out are these calls sold for?
That's what I'm saying, July. So July
Yeah,
16th. So
if they go over your strike price, they're pretty much worthless. You can. I wouldn't
Cover
get
call.
rid of them.
it's a cover call.
You can close them together.
So I would take a loss on the cover call, right?
Yeah, and profit on the stocks.
Yeah, I guess that's what I would do. So fucking yeah.
Or
It was
just
good
let it
profit
go.
though, like $600 for 9 cover calls on Genius Brands. That's not too bad.
Not at all. A lot better than Mason.
And it was up like $800 for for the cover call. So I was like, oh, nice. For a cheap ass stock, that's pretty good.
Yep, risk premiums.
Yeah, I just want to exit Genius. So okay, so my strategy is exiting Genius Brands. That's my goal, and then putting that money into other companies. Into better companies like I don't know, Palantir, fucking IPOE, hopefully. Maybe CCIB, I don't know. Just to allocate my money somewhere else.
Yeah, anything
Or
that's
not buy at all.
Genius is good.
What's that?
Said anything that's not Genius would be pretty good, probably.
Yeah, because I'm holding like a huge chunk of my money in a shit stock. So, at least I didn't sell like fucking Mason. He would have gotten out at even right now, break even.
No, Mason would have sold at a loss. He did sell at a loss.
For Genius Brands, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, if you get out of Genius break even,
I think he lost 29,000 on Genius Brands.
Sounds about right.
Watch that hype the whole time you guys talked about it on Facebook, and then after it dropped, that's when I got involved with it.
I fucked up, man. That's fun. But when I look at it this way, like let's say in a few years I will be a millionaire, right? And then I look back and then I'm like, well, yeah, I lost $8,000 on a fucking stock. What that's gonna be a dent. So right now it's probably a huge deal for me, but if it's not gonna be a huge deal in the future, then I shouldn't worry about it now.
PRQR.
I mean, you should worry about it now, but
It happened months ago though. Like it's nothing I can do.
oh yeah, nothing you can do about it now. But like at that time,
Yeah.
and don't make the same mistakes where it will happen.
Oh
again.
hell no. Oh yeah, hell no. Well, CCIV fucking down 50% on that shit. Well, not anymore, but that was the Genius Brands move right there. For the people who bought at 60, rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
You know what I mean? Like, I had it at fucking 60, I remember, or 50. Thank God I sold that shit, but then I bought back at 40. Thinking that was the dip. Mistakes were made. That's all I can say.
Freaking stock got halted again.
I'm so scared about SPACs though. Like I got introduced to SPACs recently, and now I'm like kind of scared that deals don't go through or whatever. I'm putting my money on a fucking $18 stock that can come down to 10 in a matter of seconds. What's your thoughts on that? Anyone that
They were saying on CNBC that be prepared for the backlash.
No.
Because there's so many out there, it's being like over flooded.
Do you think the strongest ones are going to survive though?
No opinion on that.
Okay.
I would think so.
CCAB has been routed up to sound pretty good as a SPAC. I'm still in them. Go.
Mm-hmm.
I'd say the majority of us are still in like CCIV and.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'm in CCAB right now. I've been averaging down to like a $35 average. I'm not sure. Has Joe averaged down? Does anybody know? He was at 39, I think.
Hey, Alan, did you see what steel opened at this morning?
Steel opened down.
Yeah.
We got all the way to 18.6.
That would have been a nice pickup.
Yep.
We keep saying that about every stock.
For a day trade.
Oh yeah.
I played it yesterday and made a couple bucks. No big deal.
Neo would have been a nice fucking day trade too, from 34.60 to
God,
38.
look at AMC though.
Yeah, they're pushing it.
AMC, fuck that. Fuck that. I stopped looking at GME and AMC. Fuck them. Did anybody hear the call for like the earnings? They said something like, well, they were saying in the news that they didn't even want to acknowledge shit. Like they didn't even answer questions. I'm assuming they didn't want to touch on the subject of fucking Wall Street bets and shit. Because what can they say? Like, yeah, we got lucky. Like, what the fuck? They're not worth that much per share.
Yeah, but you know, people that work for them all cashed out.
Most likely, yeah.
I actually just saw a commercial. I don't watch a lot of TV, but I just saw a commercial last week of a movie coming out, and it was being released in theaters only. I was surprised.
Hey, Godzilla and Godzilla and fucking King Kong.
Yeah.
That's coming out pretty soon.
Yep.
I think it's the 31st on HBO. We should stream that movie.
I can get it.
I don't think you can stream it though. Oh yeah, maybe you can.
Sure, I can.
Yeah. Because I know you guys are like streaming movies and shit.
Speaking of which, last night I said, let me get a fresh copy of the movie that I'm showing this Friday. And I downloaded Rogue Trader. Opened it up this morning and it's XXX.
GRQR and
Porn?
NWI.
Yeah.
Is it porn?
Yeah. I'm keeping that one for my personal collection.
For research purposes?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, AMC's pumping. A little bit.
Man, the psychological effect this must have on weak hands and just newbies, and I would just imagine myself a few months ago. I would have been fucking shitting myself right now. Like, you have to be strong-minded to take this shit for days, you know.
Well, you know what? I mean, I'm probably stupid in my thinking.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't look at it as playing with money. I look at it as playing with numbers. Like I've detached myself from the financial value.
Yeah, you're strong-minded, you know. Strong-minded, so. But I know there's probably some people out there that ish
Oh heck yeah.
that are shit, I don't know. They're feeling like ass right now. Feeling like the world is gonna end, but you know for sure it's not going to. So
Yeah, my wife started trading at the beginning of this year, so her introduction has been this, and
oh yeah, that's fucking.
she's losing sleep over it, even though the account's not down, but positions are down.
But at least she has you, and you can definitely talk some like clarity into her.
Yeah,
Some people are alone; they don't know shit.
that's the thing is if I wasn't right here with her, man, I don't think she would have lasted through this.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
A lot of people out there like that. I mean, I'm not saying that $500 ain't a lot of money. That would feed me for a couple months. But you got people that invested $500, and if their account went down $50 or $100, they're freaking out.
Oh my god, that's a fucking joke. But yeah, that makes sense. That happened.
Corp made me feel good a few weeks ago when.
He said it was down 50K.
Well, I ain't gonna say what he was down, but it was a lot more.
Oh, okay. I think I heard something like 50K or something.
I think.
Yeah, I always feel good when they say something like that. I feel like people with a lot of money here, they should share their losses too, just to help the little guys that are weak as fuck, like me, to like feel better.
I lost 17,000 yesterday.
Ooh.
Thank you, man.
Did you lose it or did you unrealized lose it?
I didn't lose it. I never lose it. My account was down 17,000.
Okay, good. Yeah. Like
How many days like that have you been through, Carlos, where you're like, holy shit, my account is down by so much, and then a few weeks later it's back up?
So my account doesn't usually drop in value, even though my stocks do drop. Because of the premium, I make money at the end of the week, but on red days my account looks horrible.
Oh, wait, so you're always making money? I didn't know that was what you're supposed to do in the stock market. I thought you were here to lose money.
Nice.
You're probably doing something wrong.
Well, if you're losing it, he's finding it.
Oh, yeah, he's the one collecting my money?
That's it.
Nice.
Yeah, I average about 1.5% gain per week.
Fuck, man. What do? You sell CSPs? Buy CSPs?
I sell calls and sell puts.
God, I should probably fucking be doing that, man.
What I'm starting to do, I love that
Fuck.
theory of income generation.
Fuck, man, I should probably be doing that. It's so hard, though, with a small account, I guess.
Well, I just opened
You're trying to build some?
I just opened the $2,000 account, and I'm gonna try.
Okay.
I'm gonna start doing it with that account and posting on here what my what I'm buying, just to see if I can grow it at the same rate.
Please do it, bro. I would appreciate that, because I don't know. I haven't been making shit for months now. Like, my account goes down, goes up, goes down, and I don't know. I gotta see someone really making it with wheeling shit and whatever with small stocks.
Definitely be done.
I need a savior.
The only thing that I've made money on are my CSPs that I've set up. Other than that, the stock market's dropped for me in every holding.
Now, you do still have equity, right, Carlos, or no?
I do. I get assigned some of the puts, and then I just sell calls for them.
Oh, okay. No, but I mean like long-term stuff. Like you believe in, you just like Warren Buffett. You just put money in a stock or something or a company.
Yeah, I have an account where it's a dividend account. All I do is buy dividend stocks, but I still sell covered calls on them.
Okay. Yeah. How's that one? You think it's worth it?
That one probably grows the most steady of all of them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because of dividends.
No, the dividends don't pay too much, but those dividend stocks don't have very much movement, so you can predict where to sell your calls.
Oh, nice.
Question. On the OTC, do the halt rolls the same as on NASDAQ? Because I'm looking at the third or fourth halt right now on something that I'm holding on.
OTC is a little bit different, I'm pretty sure. What stock is halted for you?
CYIO.
CYIO?
Yes.
Is it halted or is there no volume? Because I see live data for this.
It just moved, so maybe there just ain't no volume.
There is just like no volume in this, is what it looks like.
Yeah, there's trades at 10:35, 37, 39, 40.
Do you guys keep the news like CNBC in the background, or just listen to this chat?
Some people do. It just depends on the person.
It's just hard to listen to both at the same time. Oh, okay.
I like
It's
watching
good.
the-
Sometimes you can. Yeah, you can get some good shit from there.
Yeah, I like watching the scroll on the bottom.
Oh, really? Oh, I just noticed that. Oh shit, Lululemon, nice. Mostly tech, right?
It changes a lot. But I just like watching that because I can't put all of my stocks on my screens.
Yeah, that's awesome. Like you could Zoom video is down. Awesome. Apple is up.
That's the way they used to trade, just watching a ticker like that.
Brian, I just
Nice.
watch what the stock is doing. I just watch what the price is doing. That's me personally. Like my thought process is there's so many traders and analysts and funds out there that they're in tune with the news and what the company's doing, and they're paying attention to the news. Like if I watch the news, I'm just going to put my own personal opinion and bias on things. There's enough other people that know what's going on. I just watch what the price is doing, watch what the charts are doing.
You're more like technical?
Absolutely, I am. Just because there's a lot more smarter people out there than me analyzing earnings and all that stuff.
Yeah, that's what I think CNBC does. It's just opinionated.
Yeah.
And it's what do you call that? Monday morning quarterbacking.
Yeah, when I say I have CNBC on, I don't really listen to it. I just watch the price. It's just.
Oh, you don't have the sound on?
I have the sound very low, but I don't like their opinions most of the time.
Oh, really? Fucking Kramer sucks ass, man.
Oh yeah. After watching them for a year, I'm like, these dopes are doing nothing but giving their opinion. They're not.
Yeah. Just like I think like there's more smart people in this chat than some of the, well, not smart, but like like more knowledgeable people here that really have a good input.
To see what they're spewing out to the general market sentiment. All the other
that's
traders.
Yep.
And remember, a lot of them have opinions because they are holding something that they might need to get rid of.
Yeah.
100%.
Man, I hate work. John, good call. Was it John who said the SPY puts? I had some. Good call on those.
Should you have fucking those VIX calls?
Yeah. Unfortunately, I had the phone conference, so I had to set a stop loss, and of course, that shit got triggered before it took an even bigger dip. But I still am happy with my gain on it.
Dip to dip.
Do you remember when I joked about SPY going from top VWAP to lower VWAP in half an hour?
It's down now.
Yep.
It took only 25 minutes. I'm sorry.
Woo! Getting out of my cover calls for Genius Brands in a few seconds.
Bail out. Bail
Break even. Yeah. Fuck that.
Hit the fucking eject button.
You get out of that HPR, Alan?
I was never in HPR. That was not me.
Okay.
Did that shit ever unfreeze? It was still.
Yeah.
Unfroze and is tanking. It's entertaining lower VWAP right now.
Are you still streaming, Alan?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry, there's actually some people on, so.
Oh, no problem. I just wanted to make sure. I was going to say some nonsense, and I didn't want to do it with the stream on.
To say some degenerate stuff.
Feel free.
They got it playing just for S's and G's.
Ain't no big deal. Alan, I took my loss on my one position.
Which one?
FUBO. Even though it was big, I didn't believe.
No.
I didn't believe in it. I just took it.
That's unfortunate. Damn.
Alan, what are your thoughts on Ford?
Ford, I am bullish on them, but I just need strong hands at this point.
You're in it?
I'm still stuck in my Ford, yes.
He's got like 8,000 shares or some nonsense.
Average?
13.
Oh my good.
Yep,
Okay.
I got in for a day trade, and then I got stuck.
Oh, most of them are.
No stop loss though?
Oh,
I had a mental one that just it got
Oh, yeah.
slipped right past the day after. I'm just like, God damn it.
Bro, I'm loving Ford, man. I've been hearing a lot of stuff about Ford. Like fucking, they kind of want to go electrical, 100%.
Oh yeah, long term,
So-
they're an amazing organization.
Yeah, bro. I
But-
might start a long term position on them.
The issue is holding strong enough to get to that long term position. You know what I mean?
Yeah. If you have a long term account, then just fucking dump it in there, I guess.
Yep.
It's a safe one, right? To like keep money in it.
Very.
Why don't-
It's
A
Ford.
safe stunk.
Why don't you put SPY on your stream or something beside that CYIO? That's like a shitty stock to be streaming.
Put Genius Brands, bro. Please do me a favor.
Yeah,
No, actually,
I
never
wasn't
mind.
looking at that chart. I got two other
Pump it.
monitors of charts. But yeah, SPY low of day.
Good God. Bitcoin's down to 5K today. Did you guys see that?
So, how much?
5K.
Oh, they said 30K. I was like, Jesus.
God
What's it
damn.
at? The last I saw it was at 50.
It's at
It's at
51.
51.3.
Me coming.
Well, I guess that screws my Robinhood Bitcoin. I was running a little bit of a wheel on it I would buy it at like 55 and sell it at 60 and then set a buy order at 55.
Oh, look at steel, Alan. X.
Yeah, still just doing steel things. Everything's come down with the market right now.
Might be worth catching at the end of the day for tomorrow.
I'd be careful buying an overnight right now.
You know what? I was talking to somebody. I guess it's because the Dems are in office, but the price of scrap metal is almost doubled.
Has it?
Yep.
So that should be great for steel.
It usually means that the steel's coming back in from China.
So that's not a good thing?
No, not for USS.
Man, I started playing steel right around Trump getting elected. Because you remember he's like, I'm gonna build a fucking wall. And he's like,
yeah.
he's gonna use American steel. I'm like, love it. Let's play.
Yep. I actually see the economy going back to the way it was when Barack was in office.
A lot of that money that was supposed to go into the wall didn't even go into the wall. Some of it's unaccounted for.
Where'd they go?
I don't know. It's unaccounted for.
Interesting. How's that wall going though, by the way? I don't think the news really covered that much, did they?
The day Biden came into office, he ceased all construction on it.
Fuck, bruh.
There wasn't much to cover.
Yeah.
That must have sucked for workers, though.
I just saw a report recently that somebody visited a orphanage, and out of 700 teenagers in the orphanage, 148 of them had the COVID.
Kids?
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh shit.
At least they're
Damn,
kids
that
and not
sucks.
old people.
Yeah.
They have a higher chance of surviving that.
Yeah. We pretty much killed off all the old people already.
Boy, does anybody looking at charge point? That's like the weirdest grid on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, or on the 1 minute. It goes straight across.
What are you talking about? Spy?
No, CHPT. It's just weird how there was a solid line at like 2038 straight across.
That's really, really strong support.
The output. Proposed output.
Never seen that before.
Spy is tanking.
There's some noise someone making. Ooh, I'm finally up on my cover calls for fucking Genius brands. Oh my god.
Nice.
Praise
Volatility
the
through
Lord.
the roof. Oh my god. Mike, you get those VIX calls?
Strong hands, boys.
Did not get the Vixer calls. I fucking should have, dude. The market was right at the 61.8% in a fucking red cloud. That was screaming short.
I was holding those UVXY calls since the witching day, and I sold them yesterday for a loss, and now they're in the money.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I actually sold my shit for a loss too. I thought there was gonna be a lot of volatility. Guess it didn't happen.
Damn, you were still holding those calls? Didn't they expire this Friday?
This
On the
coming
Vic-
Friday.
Yeah, I took my $6 loss on Friday.
Yeah, I day traded those.
It's kind of like a hedge for me because I thought things were going to keep dropping.
You
were right.
Farther out.
UVXY is a bitch.
Rail is dropping hard right now. Spy is just tanking.
Yep.
What is causing this?
Sellers.
What? I couldn't tell that it was the sellers. Spy's at 21 on the RSI.
What time frame?
1 min.
Oh. I feel like that's high for the 1 minute.
21 on the RSI?
On the 1 minute, it's down like 1%. It should be at like 0.
I'm thinking about maybe getting a spy call.
Ooh, confidence.
What is happening to DSAC-W right now?
What is it trading at?
63 cents.
Holy shit.
What? What the fuck?
That is a fuck play.
Load the boat,
I
fellas.
have some money there. I loaded the
If you're
boat
not
before.
in, load up.
My God, D-Sac.
What the fuck, man? These sack warrants, you said, right?
Yeah.
You guys see what happened in the Suez Canal? The cargo ship blocking
Bro.
it?
Yeah.
Still
Oh,
stuck.
150.
Third day in a row, and they're saying it might take another week.
Dude, that's crazy. It's not good.
Let's invest in tugboats.
I tell you what, that guy had to make a hard right to do what he did.
Alan, did you buy them SPY calls?
I bought DSAC warrants instead of SPY calls.
Bro, what is DSAC warrants, bro?
Somebody just bought
I know
69.
you guys talk about it a lot.
That was me. That was my order.
Yo,
like
Steph, apparently this is the first time this has ever happened in 150 years.
Alan, how long is the DSAC warrant? How long are those warrant going to be held for, do you think, honestly? Like, is it a month play?
Couple month play. Let me go message somebody.
Okay.
I posted an article about this a couple nights ago. Pretty interesting read.
Okay, I bought 200 at market and brought it back up.
Literally, there's a ship blocking our global trade right now. What the fuck?
I hate the Straits of
Oh.
Hormuz.
10%. 10 fucking percent.
There's a wait, what, John?
The ship
What the
is
fuck?
blocking the
Oh.
Suez Canal. Like, that's one of our key points of global trade. It's like 10% of our global trade.
Wow.
It's costing
Well-
literally millions of dollars every hour.
You said
Oh
11
my God.
billion?
No, literally millions every hour. I mean, at this point, it's costed over $11 billion.
Where is this at exactly?
Suez Canal.
Suez
Mhm.
Canal over near the Middle East. If you look for the Straits of Hormuz, you'll see exactly where the blockage is happening.
Here, I'll post a link you can watch.
Guys, it was sailing from China. Dun dun dun.
How much did you all get the DSAC warrants for?
You couldn't wait a second before you bought that. I put in a buy at 80 and it jumped to $1.21.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. You guys are like 40 cents. I'm like, that shit's $1.20.
Yeah, because I bought 200 at market order and drove the price back up, so you're welcome.
Yeah, you could have waited till after we got ours.
Yeah, money bags. Why don't you let the scraps, us peasants, have some?
Let us get the crumbs
Hey.
first.
Yeah.
Hey, Rocky, I'll offer mine out at $3 if you want them.
I will set an order in right now. Oh wait, never mind.
I'll sell mine for $2.35.
I'll sell mine. I'm not selling mine until it's $10.
How many do you guys have?
I honestly don't even know what the
2,600 now.
company does. I'm just in it because of you guys.
We got 550.
I'm at 5 and change. I got all excited because I got
The Evergreen is a Egypt ship.
$1.58 this morning.
Yeah,
So,
I don't know
in
what
my-
the origin of the ship is, Thraki, but I just saw that it was sailing from China.
Hey, Thraki.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
You see that thing I posted?
For what?
Getting me 69 warrants for cheap as fuck.
You're welcome.
Oh,
did
tell
you
me
speak
more
up?
things, Spec. Is he in the call? Tell me more. Whisper sweet nothings into my ear about this being the bottom.
I just saw us down $2,000 and I was like, what is happening?
I'm not really worried about the ES though. It's not really down that much. I'm worried about single stocks more, if anything. The ES does look like a good place to go long.
Thraki, I can sell this position right now for $20 in gains. Oh my god.
How many did you pick up?
I only got 69, bro. So if I want to sell, I can get like, what, 20 free warrants?
Yep.
But what the fuck happened there?
I have no idea.
What is cost?
Pretty sure it's energy.
Okay, gotta go back to class.
Bye.
What's up?
My bad. It's the headphone company. Whoever asked what cost was.
Oh, it's just like.
It's a headphone company. Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
They said 10 minutes.
Fine. Fuck them. I hate meme stocks. I think GameStop started this sell-off, man. My opinion.
Retail traders started this sell-off.
You don't talk about us like that.
Claims Palantir is bearish.
Not us, the fucking idiot retail traders that fucking
bought
buying
GME
The apes.
380.
I think everything's.
Bro, the apes started this.
The apes started this. Planet of the Apes starting right now.
Yeah.
One of my favorite
They're strung together, so.
They've been waiting for this moment. They're buying the market at the bottom now. They're going to take over.
Yeah.
The people who made the hundreds of thousands in GME.
Motherfuckers, huh?
Oh, the apes. Apes are
Millions,
going to buy
I
the
bet.
bottom.
Hopefully.
Got new retail traders now. The animal kingdom's going to come in.
I wonder how much money that guy made and who the fuck is that guy? Like, whoever is the leader of the apes? Like, how did he come to be? Like, I went to his Instagram. He's got like 500 fucking followers. Like, I don't think he shares his Instagram that.
I was just running with the apes thing. I have no idea what you're talking about.
Like
a little bit too much Rick and Morty last night, I think.
He was messing me up when he was saying that. I'm like, wow, there's really an ape that's
There's an ape king. Yeah, he sold his Reddit subreddit to somebody, and he's now he's on TV now, partnering up with I don't know, some actors and some shit, taking advantage of this. The gorilla ape.
I believe.
You know, I
everything you're
tried
saying right now.
I tried posting on the Wall Street Bets subreddit when GME was like pumping up, and then I posted about Roblox, and I said, "Hey guys, remember Roblox's IPO is today?" And then I started getting a shit ton of like views and likes and whatever, and then they shut down my post because someone said you're just trying to divert our focus to something else other than GME. I was like, these motherfuckers are crazy. What the fuck?
That's funny.
Yeah, they deleted my post.
shows you there's a bunch of Karens in the stock market too.
Kens.
There you go.
Oh, thanks for that information you sent me yesterday, by the way, Steph. I wasn't around, but I read it this morning. Appreciate it.
Yeah, not a problem. Not a problem. That's what I'm here for.
As of now, I'm very happy I rolled my AMD put.
It's never a bad idea to roll. Collect more credit.
Yeah, I could have waited till now to roll it, and I would have made more. But hindsight's 2020.
Yeah, you're good. You can either go up or down or maybe sideways. God damn, what a smart man.
Quick question. I asked yesterday after market, but the responses were not known. Has anybody ever had the PDT roll? So is it 90 trading days or is it legitimately 90 days? So it's technically like 5 months then.
Ask Rocky. He's in it right now.
Yeah, it's 90 days. Only can close positions.
Well, no,
you can only close.
I can open. I didn't get the lockup. Like if I make one more trade, they can only close. So I can still open and close positions. They just can't be in the same day. Or then I can only close.
Day trade and you'll be fine then.
Yeah, but
be careful, bro.
I just
you
needed
get
to know.
caught in PDT a second time, or if you get the strike a second time, you can only close. That's what it is.
Yeah, that's what I have to avoid. And I was wondering if it was really 90 trading days, because I know that's some bull crap they pull, even though it says 90 days.
Yeah, I think it's trading days.
Time.
Yeah, I know it's half a year almost, 90 trading days.
Yeah,
A lot of people have moved. A lot of people have moved brokerages because of the rule. Like they get caught in that rule and then they just switch to something else.
That's what I was gonna do, but Rocky convinced me to just open up another cash account.
Well, yeah. I mean, if you're trading on a cash account, it should have never happened.
Well, it wasn't cash. I opened the new cash account with TD and moved half of the money. So I have the account that I can't day trade on, or they'll basically restrict me, and I have a cash only account.
Gotcha.
I did the same thing. I moved that Robinhood when they fucked me over like that. I was done with them.
Yeah.
I hate when people are fucking crying about a CCIV average of 22 or 24. Like, okay. Like, an average of 22 on CCIV is fucking lovely right now.
DSAC went back up. Look at fucking DSAC's chart. It was 0.63 cents, and now it's back up at 152.
Yeah. We bought that up in literally a second. The second Throck said something about that.
What the hell?
Whoa, I just saw this gap down on Walmart all those weeks ago, or back in February. The daily chart, they had a decent gap down back in Feb.
Alright, YouTube guys. Market's slowing down. I have a meeting here in a little bit, so I'm gonna end the stream. I hope you guys
Walmart was a
all
good
have
entry at 130 to
great day, and as always, please don't forget to like the stream and to subscribe to us on YouTube. Much love, and thank you again for tuning into the stream. We'll be live again tomorrow before open.